In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpublish a Hostinger website builder website. Now, if you've been looking for a simple unpublish button inside Hostinger, you've probably noticed something important. There isn't one. Hostinger website builder does not currently offer a direct unpublish feature. But don't worry, because in this tutorial, I'll show you the best recommended workaround to effectively hide your website from visitors until you're ready to make it live again. This method is clean, professional, and takes just a few minutes to set up. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. So as I mentioned, Hostinger doesn't provide a one-click unpublish option. That means your website can't simply be switched off. Instead, what we're going to do is replace your current homepage with a coming soon landing page and hide the rest of your site. This way, visitors won't be able to access your content while you're making changes behind the scenes. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your website builder dashboard. From there, click on Edit Website to enter the website editor. Once you're inside the editor, the first step is to create a new landing page. Look for the option to add a new page. Click on Add Page and choose a blank template or, if available, a Coming Soon template. Hostinger often provides pre-designed sections that make this very easy. Now customize this page to say something like Coming Soon, Website Under Maintenance, or We're updating our site. You can add a short message explaining that the site is temporarily unavailable. If you want to keep it professional, you can also add an email sign-up form so visitors can be notified when you relaunch. Keep the design simple and clear. The goal here is just to temporarily replace your live content. Once your Coming Soon page is ready, the next important step is to set it as your homepage. Go to your page's settings, find your new Coming Soon page, and select the option to set it as the homepage. This ensures that when someone visits your domain, this is the only page they see first. Now we need to hide your other pages. In the Pages menu, locate each of your existing pages and look for the visibility settings. Disable them from the navigation menu or hide them from the header so they don't appear publicly. If Hostinger allows page visibility toggling, switch those pages to draft or hidden mode. The goal here is to prevent visitors from navigating to your internal pages while you're working on them. After you've set your Coming Soon page as the homepage and hidden your other pages, click the Publish or Update Website button. This will push the changes live. Now when someone visits your website, they'll only see your Coming Soon page instead of your full website. And that's it. That's the recommended way to effectively unpublish a Hostinger website builder website. While it's not a true unpublish feature, this method achieves the same result. Your main content is hidden, and your visitors see a professional placeholder page instead. When you're ready to relaunch your website, simply go back into the editor, set your original page back as the homepage, unhide your other pages, and publish again. Your full website will be live instantly. I hope this step-by-step guide made things clear and easy to follow. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger tutorials, website builder guides, and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.